This video is going to help with something that a lot of people suffer from, including myself at one point, and it is a low back injury or low back pain. These are the 5 poses that I did to help create a little bit of relief for that pain. The first pose that you're gonna do, this is a great one. You're gonna get a chair or you're gonna use the edge of a bed. You're gonna make your way gently to come to lay onto your back. Take your time with this, especially if you're currently in pain. You're gonna bring your legs on top of the chair or the bed, creating this 90-degree angle, and you're just gonna let the weight of the legs onto the chair, releasing out the low back, and just allow yourself just to stay here in this position for as long as you feel comfortable. This is essentially a pain-free posture. Our second pose, you can come into it right from this. It's just knees into your chest. So hug the knees right into your chest, and then you can just gently rock side to side, just massaging the low back, creating a little bit of relief. Key to mention here is when you have low back injury or pain, you never want to do forward folding, because that can actually aggravate it even further. And you also never want to not move. So these poses are going to really help to create a little bit of movement that's going to be safe for the low back. So number 3, our downward dog variation, a crouching downward dog. So we're going to bend the knees quite a bit to create a flat back. So we don't want to round, we want to create a flat back, and keep working on bringing the chest down towards the thighs. And then again, just trying to create a little bit of traction into the hands, and just allowing the low back to release and the spine to decompress. From here, our 4th pose that we're gonna do is just a nice, gentle child's pose. Now, depending on the tightness or the pain into the back will depend on how far you can get into this. Go as far as you feel essentially pain-free. And then just allow yourself just to relax. This is gonna help release any low back tension. And then just stay here and breathe for a few deep breaths. From here, our last pose, number 5, that we're gonna do is laying on your back. You're going to alternate. You're gonna pull the right knee in towards your chest and then just hold here to help release low back. From here, you're gonna take the right leg across the body, very gently coming into a supine twist. Make sure, again, you're only going as far as your back will allow. This will be different for everybody. And you want to repeat onto the other side. So left knee into the chest, very gently take it across the body. And then just stay here for as many breaths as you feel comfortable. And there you have it. Those are my top 5 back pain releasing yoga poses.